Ooh, it's cold today. I guess I'm an idiot. I tried setting up time lapse and didn't look back at the camera, just push play and record and wash the whole car. It's been about a half hour here, and I took 3 pictures, just a 3-picture blast, and that was it. So, darn it. We're gonna race. The racetrack's that way. Let me walk out in the wind. Morning, guys. I'm gonna talk to you a little bit on the GoPro. We'll try this out. I only got them charged up and the one GoPro I have left because race cars are rough. The little sticky pads on the GoPros don't stay on very well on racetracks. So I gotta get a cage clamp and switch out the GoPro. So my last GoPro is somewhere in one of the last 2 racetracks, or in the last racetrack, gone. So sorry I haven't been making very many videos. I had to buy another GoPro and everything. So I'll give you an update what's been happening. And about the car. So we ran 2 weekends so far, a total of what, 4 races, 2 heats, or a heat and a main, and then a heat on last weekend, and then I ran 1 heat and 1 main Saturday night this weekend. So last weekend we ran 3rd place in the heat, started last in the main. Got a bad pill draw, went all the way to 4th place, and I lost oil pressure. No big deal. Went to the pits, dinking around with the car. Oil pressure was there. I thought I had a faulty gauge, so I went out in the main went on the heat Saturday. After we changed the oil and a few other things, I thought I just had a bad gauge because the oil pressure had come back sporadically. Went 9 laps in the heat on Saturday night, led the race. Coming out of turn 2, the motor started knocking, went downhill. I got a guy walking up. Anyways, went 9 laps, came out of turn 2, motor started knocking, coasted through for a 2nd place. It happens, no big deal. Car's knocking, got it home, pulled it apart this last Thursday. Found rod bearings 5 and 6 are gone, ate up the crank, ate up the rods. That motor's cooked, so we put a new motor in it. And went out and raced this weekend. We had a few issues with oil leaks and overheating, so we never finished the race. Well, it looks like we're good to go now. Stuck in construction. Sorry, I'm sitting here driving in the truck. I know Hollis Farms does this, and that's what we're gonna try. So, anyways, we threw a new motor in, went and raced this weekend. Didn't place at all, didn't even finish the race, ran out in the heat, had oil pressure coming out of oil coming out of the valve cover on turns 2 and 4, hitting the manifold, smoking out. So we pulled it in, changed the manifold, or the valve cover gaskets. Ooh, the wind's blowing, my truck's all swervy. Changed valve cover gaskets, went out in the main, car overheated, pulled it back off the track, found out I had a bad thermostat, so we're going to do something about that and get one of them hollowed out ones. 5/8 hole, whatever. The hell is my truck swerving so bad? I gotta pull off real quick. I must have a car loaded wrong. So no, I didn't change it. Something's goofy. Be right back. So anyways, didn't see nothing on the truck. So the car we're running, you can probably see it back there. We're running a 1980 Buick Regal with Monte Carlo dominator front and rear bumpers. Small block Chevy 350. It's all stock now. It was before with the restrictor plate. You know how that goes, boys. I thought it was all stock till I got it apart, but no big deal, whatever. I didn't win any races on that motor either. Almost, but didn't. I'm still trying to figure this out. Now I got a highway patrol coming, so I got to slow down and put the camera down a little bit. It's hard to make videos for you guys. So we put a bone stock small block 350 in it, 2-speed power glide. Just racing first gear, lined her out. I'm no expert at racing yet. We've only ran a couple times, so I'll try and get better at videotaping. I think I got some footage on Facebook, somebody else posted, so I'm gonna try and save that and throw this in the video. But yeah, that's pretty much how it's going. So let's go wash a car today. See you at the car wash. Ooh, it's cold today. I guess I'm an idiot. I tried setting time lapse and didn't look back at the camera, just push play and record and wash the whole car. It's been about a half hour here, and I took 3 pictures, just a 3-picture blast, and that was it. So, darn it. I need to clean the pickup too. I guess rule number 2 of dirt tracks: expect to clean your pickup every weekend. It's trashed. Nasty. Well guys, the weather's not pretty out here. Having a bunch of dirt dug out. Hopefully get a shop up next year. So just update you about the car and whatnot, and next couple videos we'll be doing some work on the car, but weather's looking crappy. Car's already put away. So I'm calling it a day. I gotta go back to work tomorrow anyways. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.